Welcome to our best Walt Disney World Ride Vehicles tournament, where we'll be going land by land to determine the best ride vehicle in Disney World. We start off with Frontierland, and we'll also be putting the railroad in this section as well. So this gives us the Walt Disney World Railroad, the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad mine cars, the Tom Sawyer Island rafts, and the Splash Mountain logs, which for this tournament we will be assuming are staying relatively the same for the Princess and the Frog re-theme. The logs and rafts are easily left behind, so our choice comes down to the two trains. The railroad wins points for history and nostalgia, but Big Thunder scores huge points for theme. When it comes down to it, both trains and mine cars are something that can be found in many, if not most, theme parks. So what really makes one of these stand out is its connection directly to Walt Disney. That's why our winner for this section is the Walt Disney World Railroad. It'll move on to the full ride vehicle bracket to take on the winner from Adventureland. So make sure to subscribe so you can find out what ride has the best ride vehicle in Disney World.